Hello, dear students. Let's see the last topic of the chapter 9, hydrogen. Hydrogen peroxide. How we can prepare hydrogen peroxide in laboratory? It can be obtained by passing a current of carbon dioxide through a cold pasty solution of barium oxide in water. And industrially, we can prepare by electrolysis of 50% sulfuric acid at 0 degrees centigrade using platinum electrode. Okay, cathode and anode reactions you can make. One more process by which we can prepare is auto-oxidation of 2-ethyl anthraquinone. This is the most modern method and needs hydrogen, atmospheric oxygen, and water as the major raw materials. First and foremost, 2-ethyl anthraquinol is catalytically reduced to 2-ethyl anthraquinone in an organic solvent by hydrogen and palladium. It will be our catalyst. Secondly, 2-ethyl anthraquinol is oxidized by air to 2-ethyl anthraquinone. Hydrogen peroxide obtained in the process is extracted with water to give a 20% hydrogen peroxide solution. 2-ethyl anthraquinone is thus reused and the process is repeated, thus, it is a cyclic process. What should be the physical properties of hydrogen peroxide? Number one, pure H2O2 is weakly acidic in nature and exists as an associated liquid due to hydrogen bonding. The smell of hydrogen peroxide resembles as nitric acid. H2O2, pure hydrogen peroxide, can cause blisters on the skin. Stored in plastic container after the addition of stabilizers. A dilute solution of hydrogen peroxide is concentrated by vacuum distillation or by distillation under pressure. The most important part of hydrogen peroxide is its structure. See its structure, it is looking like a book which is open, an open book structure it is showing. Now see what it is. All four atoms, that is two hydrogen and two oxygen, are non-polar. Structure has an open book structure having two leaves at 90 degree. The hydrogen atoms are placed on each core and the hydrogen oxygen bonding is making an angle of 101 degree. Here it is given 94.8 degrees centigrade in oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen. And bond angle, dipole moment value of hydrogen peroxide suggests that all the four atoms in H2O2 do not lie in a plane. And the structure can be compared with the open book at angle 94 degree. The hydrogen oxygen hydrogen bond angle is 97 degree centigrade. What are the chemical properties? It is used for many reasons, and the most important is it is oxidizing as well as reducing nature. Means hydrogen peroxide can be used as a oxidizing agent and it can also used as a reducing agent. So H2O2 acts as a strong oxidizing agent under acidic and alkaline conditions. Oxidation in the acidic medium is slow while rapid in an alkaline solution. And hydrogen peroxide itself is a weak acid. Few reactions are given. You can go through the reactions, write the reaction and see how it is acting as a reducing as well as oxidizing agent. Second most important action of hydrogen peroxide is its bleaching action. H2O2 acts as a bleaching agent due to its oxidizing nature. For example, bleached human hair, black to golden brown. Now many colors are there: ivory, silk, wool, feather. These all are, we use hydrogen peroxide to bleach something. Let's come to the uses of hydrogen peroxide. It is used in the wide scale and has led to a tremendous increase in the industrial preparation of hydrogen peroxide. We prepare mostly thing in bulk, whichever is required. So by the production in tremendous increase in the production of hydrogen peroxide, you can understand that it is being used in many of the other industries also. Few are listed here. Let's see. In daily life, it is used as hair bleach and as a mild disinfectant. As an antiseptic, it is sold in the market as perhydrol. Children, normally the chemicals are only sold at the shop where only chemicals are sold, but hydrogen peroxide you can also get from the medical shop. It is used to manufacture chemicals like sodium perborate and sodium and percarbonate, which is used in high quality detergents. It is used in the synthesis of hydroquinone, tartaric acid, and certain food products and pharmaceuticals, cephalosporin also, etc. It is employed in the industries as a bleaching agent for textiles, paper pulp, leather, oils, fats, etc. Nowadays, it is also used in environmental chemistry, means green chemistry. For example, in pollution control treatment of domestic and industrial effluents, oxidation of cyanides, restoration of aerobic conditions to sewage wastes, etc. Many times you will find that hydrogen peroxide is strength is mentioned 20%, 40%, 60%. What it means? It means that as a percentage, the strength of hydrogen peroxide is sometimes reported in terms of percentage. Bottles containing hydrogen peroxide are labeled as 40%, 60%, etc. This means that 100 ml of solution of hydrogen peroxide contains 40 gram of H2O2. Okay, for 40%. And if it is mentioned 60%, then if 100 ml of water is there, solution is there, only 60% will be hydrogen peroxide. This was when we mentioned by percentage. If the strength is given as volume, the strength of hydrogen peroxide is often expressed in terms of volume of oxygen evolved on heating. Bottles containing hydrogen peroxide are labeled as 10 volume, 20 volume, 100 volume, etc. This means that 1 volume of hydrogen peroxide contains, and it can give so many volume of oxygen after complete decomposition. At NTP, thus 1 ml of 10 volume solution produces 10 ml of oxygen. And at NTP, 1000 ml of a 10 volume solution produces 10,000 ml of oxygen at NTP. Volume strength and is given here in terms of normality. So this was all about the hydrogen peroxide, and here your chapter ends. Thank you so much, children.